Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can install a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So you're going to need obviously a SIM card and also a SIM removal tool. If you haven't got a SIM removal tool, you can get away with a very thin paper clip or a very thin screwdriver. On this particular phone, it is up the top of the phone and it's just here. And you will see that there's a tiny little hole just here. So we're going to get the SIM removal tool or a screwdriver, and you're just going to place it in that hole and just press in. When you press in, it will stick out a little bit. That allows you to grab it. If you're using the SIM removal tool, you just put it in the hole here and press in. If it doesn't want to come out, it could be because it's a little bit dirty, so just give it a little bit of a clean. And then you pull it out there. And if we look closely, you will see on this particular phone, you have an option for 2 SIM cards, so you can have 2 numbers. If you only want the 1 number, you would put your SIM card in here. And we are going to be using a nano. So this is a standard SIM, this is a micro SIM, and this is a nano SIM. So you need to use a nano SIM. With most SIM cards nowadays, you can separate them out. So you can pull out, for example, a nano SIM out of the middle of the micro SIM, and this will become your nano SIM. Now, if you have a look, the SIM card will have a little bit cut out from it. That bit needs to go here, and we're going to be placing it down just like that there. You can see there's a little cut out there. So the metal contacts are going to be on that side. If you try to fit it this way round, it's simply not going to fit into place. So it can only actually go one way, which is that way there. If you did want to put a second SIM card in, again, it's going to be nano, and you're going to be placing it just there like that with the cutout just there, and that will be SIM 1 and SIM 2. You might be wondering what this cutout here is for. It is if you want to extend the phone's storage, you can put a micro SD card in like that. So for most people, they're just going to be using it just like that, and then they're going to be placing it into the phone like so, the same way that you took it out. So the hole is going to be towards the middle of the phone, and you're just going to place it down and push it into place. And that is it, your SIM card is now installed. Thanks for watching.